Hello cuties, I'm Jia and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to think out of the box. Since you are design students, it is very important for you to think out of the box. Since I have got HA marks in my first year, I thought why not share it with you all. Big sister duties? This video is again divided into parts where I will be unfolding choti cheezein about how to think out of the box. So each part is equally important. मत skip करना वरना what's the use of tasting a fruit juice without tasting a fruit? बहुत गंदा एग्जाम्पल है, प्लीज देख लेना आखिर तक. अब हमको बोलते रहते हैं कि think out of the box, think out of the box, this is very common. But let's understand कि ये box है क्या. इस box में है दाल चावल. By dal chawal, I mean comfortable, safe and boring ideas. But we don't want that, obviously. हमें तो चाहिए शाही पनीर, ढाबा पनीर, पनीर लबाबदार. मेरा मतलब ideas जो नए हो, uncommon हो and obviously आपको excite करें. Let's understand by a very simple example. If I say, think of a circle, most of you will think of a geometric round shape, which looks like this. Am I right? Let me know in the comments. These are the default ideas already existing, but what if we think of a circle in a different way? Like when I say circle, you could think of a pizza or a clock stuck at 3:15 or a stain that a teacup left on a table. See, this is creative, right? Not many people think of it. Like this is what is called stepping out of the box. The shape is same, but the interpretation it is different. Most of us have these common fears. The fear of being judged, the fear of doing something different, and the fear of being wrong. And because of this, we always try to play it safe. By safe, I mean making the things that already exist in real world. Pinterest से कोई idea उठा लिया, same to same उसको copy paste कर दिया. This will not do any good to you. Playing it safe is the fastest way to become invisible in a design college. पर इसमें हमारी गलती नहीं है. हमें स्कूल से ही सिखाया जाता है not to make mistakes, not to go against the crowd, to always be neat and clean. But design schools flips that. So the first step, आज से ही कसम खा लो कि हमें परफेक्शन की तरफ नहीं दौड़ना. हमें सीखना है, हमें डिफरेंटली सोचना है. So from now on, जब भी कोई काम करो, ask yourself, am I playing it safe? Am I just doing something which is already existing in real world? Am I thinking basic? Or am I ready to take risk, to explore, to make something new? Because that's where originality begins. Most students जो design colleges में आते हैं, they think that if I make beautiful things, that's enough, I'm good to go. But that's not true, sweetheart. Design colleges is more about how you observe, solve, communicate, and deliver your ideas. And that's where design thinking comes into role. Let's take an example. If you design a chair which looks very pretty, very cool, but उसमें functionality ही नहीं है. By functionality I mean उस पे आप बैठ ही नहीं सकते हो. And that's not a design, it's a sculpture. Design is equal to function plus thoughts plus feelings. Start questioning every single thing that you see. If you look at a chair, ask, why does chair have 4 legs? What if it had 2? Why this paper? Why this color? Why this particular brand? Start questioning everything that you see around you, even the smallest thing that you can see. Imagine this, आप 3 friends हो and each of you have been given a task to design a collection inspired by childhood. One of your friends designed a whole collection based on the chocolates, the candies and stuff like that. Another one designed a collection with all these soft toys, plushies, but you as a designer designed an oversized collection with drawstrings. Now you must be thinking कि इसमें क्या creative है? At least ये दो थोड़े creative तो थे. इन्होंने theme तो use करी. Theme आपने भी use करी है, but with a deeper thinking. How? Because oversized clothing express how children wants to grow up faster, using drawstrings to adjust life. So this same thing could be done in a theme. That's design thinking. Myth number 1. Creativity is a natural talent. Either you have it or you don't. People think that creativity is a gift, but it's not. It's a skill. Just like sketching, creativity भी over time built होती है with continued practice and exploration. Creativity curiosity से आती है, IQ level से नहीं. आप जितने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे उतने ज़्यादा आपको आइडियाज आएंगे। आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग मीन्स समथिंग शॉकिंग और वाइल्ड। आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचने का मतलब ये नहीं होता एडिंग ग्लिटर टू एवरीथिंग, मेकिंग थिंग्स सुपर वियर्ड, गोइंग अगेंस्ट द नॉर्म्स फॉर नो रीजन। No, thinking out of the box means choosing a perspective that is fresh, personal, or thoughtful. Let me give you one example. Everyone designs a bag, but you designed one that can be converted into a cushion for long metro rides. This is thinking out of the box. This is not weird. This is not shocking. It's smart and empathetic. If you don't get good ideas quickly, you are not creative. You don't get ideas quickly. और जो आइडियाज जल्दी आ जाते हैं, दे आर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग. क्रिएटिविटी इज लाइक डिगिंग. You have to go further deeper to find the gold. Tell methods to think out of the box. Now let's get practical. First, discard the initial 2 to 3 ideas. If possible, discard the initial 5 ideas. The initial ideas that you are getting are very obvious and they are already existing in real world. Try to think of something else. Use your brain. Take as much time as possible but come up with something different. I will give you a very simple example from my own work. So we were asked to make a character using platonic solids. Everyone does so. Everyone made characters, very beautiful, very pretty. But what I did, I added a working mechanism to that. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने एक कैट बनाई जो कार्टून के अंदर छुपी हुई है. And when you there was a stick kind of thing. When you press on it, the cat pops up. The faculty loved it so much. So you see, I just added one little thing that was the mechanism and it changed the whole game. Second, ask what if. What if questions unlock your imagination. Start asking random things. What if it does not have this? What if it was used for this? Random things. Force your brain to think. For example, think what if jewelries could hold your memories? What if furniture grew like a plant? Now these might sound silly, but that's how you use this tool. These are not final ideas, they are triggers. Here's a tip for you. Don't edit while imagining. Let your imagination go wild and crazy and come up with the craziest ideas to ever exist in this world. Third, zoom in, not out. Don't start with big ideas. Start small. Start with tiny observations. One small detail can spark an entire concept. Original ideas आपके आसपास ही होते हैं. You just need to look around. Fourth and the most important, don't be afraid of the blank page. The blank page is not empty. It is full of potential. It happens when you are in design college or when you are in a creative field, you might get so many creative blocks. And I understand the feeling of creative blocks because at that time you feel like you are not at all creative. But don't panic when you don't know what to draw or what to create. Give yourself some time. Your brain needs space to generate creative ideas. जब भी creative block होता है ना, most of us rushes towards Instagram and Pinterest for ideas. But I would say instead of doing this, just go for a walk. Listen to birds chirping. Talk to your family. Do little activities that makes you happy. Trust me, इससे creative block खत्म होता है. That's it for this video. I hope all these tips help you in thinking out of the box. These are the practical things that I personally use in my design college. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment telling me that you liked it. I read each and every comment and I love it. Please leave a like and I'm doing my big sister role. So can you please subscribe to my channel? That's it for this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!